Why do you care about people? Do they care about you? Ringing in 2026. This is Rohit, and you are most welcome to English Alarm. Yes, it is class 0. I've kept the name as 0, class 0, because today I'm not going to teach you anything in English. I'm going to try to make your mind set, okay, for learning English, because most of the English learners of mine, they have one common problem in them. They always try to speak because it's more about practicing, right? Practicing the speaking skills, about learning this language. So they come across one common problem, and that is hesitation. Sometimes, if they don't have any conversational partner, they practice themselves. And when they do so, they always have a fear of judgment as what others are going to think about them. If they will make any mistake, then what others are going to think, right? So, to remove all this, I've organized this class 0 for you. So, you know what happens whenever you do something new, or you start climbing a ladder. Okay, you take your step 1, people will try to take you backwards. If they don't want to support you, they will definitely do this practice. Reason is only one, that you are doing something better, okay, better than them. So if you also have this fear, you feel that what others are going to think, then remember one thing, which I literally do with myself, and this is helping me keep going through. You know what happens when somebody is very interested in you, and they comment on you and say something negative about you or your journey? Okay, does it matter? First ask yourself this question: those people who are dragging you back, do they matter to you? First thing. Yes, if they support you, definitely you can give a thought over thinking about their thoughts. But if they do not support you, they just try to comment and pull you back, do you realize, like, do you still want to realize what they are thinking? Ask this question to yourself. Second thing, I always believe in one thing, that people are thinking about you, right? So why do you think about what they are thinking about you? Let them think. Let them do their job. I repeat here, if people are thinking about you, why do you think about what they are thinking? Let them think what they want, okay? Because in this in this world, people are not even leaving any prominent leader or famous personality. They even talk negative about them. And if you are being added to their list, it's not your fault. It's good part that they even have enough time to think about you. Okay? Alright? So it is an added advantage. Think it this way. Moreover, it's your life and your journey. You have to keep yourself focused on what you want to achieve. Alright? This is English Alarm, and here we will be uploading the videos on English speaking skills alongside reading and listening skills every week. And will upload only raw reels, raw videos, raw and real videos, I should say, because as a teacher, I feel that in a classroom setting, teacher never do the retakes, and teacher never edits what he or she is teaching, right? So it should be natural, and that's the reason all my long form videos are going to be real and raw, unedited and unfiltered as well. All right. So without taking much of your time, leaving you on a note, keep practicing, and see you in class 1, where we'll be starting to learn. And if you are a serious learner about English speaking, if you want to learn about English language, if you want to practice English, then you can join this channel. you can consider subscribing. Only if you are a serious learner then. Alright? Thank you so much. You can leave your comments as if you want to add something, definitely you can do. Thank you so much. Keep practicing. See you in class 1 soon. Signing off from English Alarm.